The compounds containing NH2 and co-functional groups are known as amino acids. Depending upon the relative position of NH2 group with respect to CO group, amino acids are classified into alpha, beta, gamma and so on. Hydrolysis of proteins give only alpha amino acids. Amino acids are classified into two types, essential and non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are the amino acids, which cannot be synthesized by the human body and they should be supplied through additional diet. Amino acids, which can be synthesized by the body, are known as non-essential amino acids. There are a total of 10 essential amino acids. Here is the easy mnemonic to remember those 10 essential amino acids. HALL very IMP thanterus. H. Histidine A. Arginine L. Lysine L. Leucine V. Valine I. Isoleucine M. Methionine P. Phenylalanine T. Tryptophan T. Threonine.